The design of counterflow cooling towers has been flawed since its inception. Water pumps are not in sync with the number of cells. For example, you might only see 3 pumps for a 5 or 10 cell cooling tower. Engineers design cooling towers to perform in the hottest part of the year. The weather cools in the evening and at night. Fall and spring bring much cooler temperatures. As the wet bulb temperature drops, the tower performance will increase. Flow control valves located at each cell are often corroded and inoperable. Opening and closing valves while tracking the wet bulb up and down is both impractical and economically unfeasible. Consequently, the industry has addressed only the air side of the equation, utilizing VFDs and 2-speed fan motors. On the water side of the equation, pumps are typically turned on and run all the time, 24/7, all year long. This age-old problem is the reason that cooling towers have been coined as energy hogs, wasting colossal amounts of water, energy, and your money. At last, there is an answer. The Variable Flow Nozzle, the water nozzle that thinks it's a valve. You can now leave the flow control valves fully opened all the time and let the Variable Flow Nozzle make the water flow adjustments automatically. As the wet bulb drops, the tower performance will increase and fans and pumps can be cycled to the off mode, leaving only one pump operating. This will result in very low water loading across the entire fill media. This, coupled with the warm water, will create a natural flow of air. The tower operating in this mode essentially becomes an efficient natural draft cooling tower. As the wet bulb rises, fans and pumps will be cycled back to the on mode. You can now sync the water flow with the fans and track the wet bulb up and down, saving enormous amounts of water and energy by simply installing the Variable Flow Nozzle. Learn more at curtistech.com.